I I saw something yesterday with Amityville, how the guy used 3D models to create 2D weapon sprites. So I decided to kind of try that out of myself with the Doom pistol. So here's how that looks, so you can get a feel for it and see how I did. I don't think I did that great. Oh, crap. It's very well. I think I did all right on the modeling itself, but I just ripped some models and whatever. But the actual animation and images I'm putting together, I felt were a bit crude. Yeah, I spent a really long time on this, more than I should have, and it looks really bad still. I feel like it was probably because I started out doing like a pistol instead of a shotgun or something that would just be a little easier for me. But this is like, I'm kind of proud of this, but I don't know, I feel like it's not good enough. Probably could do better, but for now this is what it is. If anyone wants to take the model for themselves, and more than likely make something better out of it, because anyone can definitely do better than this. I'll leave download links to the models and to the model that I used for this in the description below, because I feel like there's a lot more potential